Hey there! Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. Today we'll be discussing the common questions about trading, and Google will help us. So let's start the most Googled questions about trading. First up, the how questions. Essentially, they're all about how online trading works and how you can make a profit from it. I'll try to briefly answer them now. The first question is how you can start online trading or stock trading. Easy. Sign up for Olymp Trade. Verify your profile. Deposit as little as $10 and you can start opening trades from just $1. Next up, how does online trading work and how you can make a profit from it? Online trading is based on price trend analysis. You look at charts, find patterns, listen to news, and use special tools to understand whether the price of your chosen asset will go up or down. If you believe the price will go up, you open an up trade to close it at a higher level. If you believe the price will drop, you open a down trade to close it at a lower level. This is pretty much how profit is made on a platform. If your analysis is solid and more than half of your trades are profitable, your trading will be profitable overall. So how to make money essentially comes down to how to do price analysis well. Now, let's do another round. Oh, these questions are tricky. I like them. Okay, let's get to it. Is online trading halal or haram? We have an Islamic account option created specifically for Muslim traders who want to stay on the path of Sharia and extract halal benefits from trading. Is online trading good or bad? It can be good if you are good at it. Is online trading real or fake? If you want to know whether you buy and own actual currencies and stocks, you don't. You only make up and down trades to profit from price difference. But if you want to know whether any profit you made is real, it is. You can withdraw it from your account and spend it however you like. Is online trading safe and legal? If you take a look at the regulatory info section, you will find information about the authorities that supervise the trading operations carried out on the platform. So, as long as you play by the rules and don't try to cheat, you're completely in the clear and you can trade safely. Finally, is online trading easy? Once I asked a friend of mine who introduced me to online trading how he was making a profit from it. He said it took him several months of demo trading and a period of mostly losses on a live account to develop a few working strategies and start making consistent profits. So, is online trading easy? For that friend of mine it was. After he gained experience through losses and time, it can be easy for you too. If you are patient enough to stay in the game, trade smart.